Hi, my name is Susan Curry, and this is my beautiful Susan's Cruisin Cuisine van made from Raccoon. Cruisin Cuisine, a company that I just thought I'm driving, I'm cruising, and I'm serving different food. I chose it with my kids, Cruisin Cuisine, so it's a mouthful, but it's Susan's Cruisin Cuisine. What do I do with myself? Social work, I did that. Procurement, yeah. And then just cooking for the past 25 years has been what I just thought would work for me, my kids, and flexibility. My brand's different because even though they're plant-based dishes, they're not tasteless. I was training at Leeds and I love plant-based food. I'm not plant-based, but when I've tried it with my kids, we started with Meatless Mondays, and then from Meatless Mondays to me doing my course with Lee, helped me see that all the plant-based food can be versatile and yummy for all. I don't put sugar, additives or stuff. My food are fresh, yummy food on wheels. I source my produce 2 days before, label them. My chicken are still all in within the dates and labeling and boxing them together. So I pride myself on no additive, no sugar and stuff like that, and they're fresh food. It's taken a whole while for it to come to pass. Like after 2 years, I was duped by a company called took 15 plus thousand from me, and then I met Richard. I live in Hindhead. I was driving back from High Wycombe and then typed it and Raccoon came up. Where's Raccoon? So after being duped, went off, found my vehicle in Milton Keynes, find someone to convert the vehicle. I found another guy in Southampton that was like, oh yeah, this month, next month, 2 months, 4 months, 5 months time. And now the guys at Raccoon have helped me develop and customize my vehicle personal to me and help my dreams come to reality. My brand logo, this is not the logo I had. I had a very plain logo, Susan's Cruisin Cuisine, SCC. I'll draw a fork there, knife there, spoon there. Now I've got my face on the van and everywhere. God. The vehicle attract customers saying all the inside and the equipment and how it was built is really, really good. I can wipe and clean down quick and disinfect because of the worktop. It's perfect and it works for me. Do pretty much everything. It's a kitchen on wheels, wellness on wheels, everything on wheels. My plans for the future would be, I've done courses with Mark from Leeds and Fiona and Vicky and stuff like that from plant-based chefing. So I'm hoping to do like wedding, dinner, meal prep, kids' birthday parties, South Sea Love Food Festival market that I would go to next week. And yeah, I shall be trying to get on top of people eating yummy food and bringing Africa to it. Love you, Africa. Love you, my kids. Thank you so much.